Simplify your speech. Eliminate the unnecessary. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our video series on public speaking and presentations. Today, we're diving into a very important part of your speech preparation: eliminating unnecessary points from your outline. An effective speech or presentation is concise and focused. It's not about how much you say, but rather, what you say, and how you say it. Let's get started. So, what do we mean by unnecessary points? In the context of a speech or presentation, these are points that don't contribute to your main argument, message, or the understanding of the audience. They might be interesting facts or anecdotes, but if they don't serve your main points or engage your audience, they can distract or confuse. Remember, every element of your speech should serve a purpose. If it doesn't, it's time to rethink its place in your outline. Now that we understand what unnecessary points are, let's look at how to identify them in your outline. First, review your main points and ask yourself, does this support my main argument or message? If it doesn't, it might be unnecessary. Second, consider your audience. Ask, does this help my audience understand my message? If it doesn't make things clearer, it might be unnecessary. Lastly, ask, is this point distracting or confusing? If it pulls attention away from your main points or confuses your audience, it's likely unnecessary. After identifying unnecessary points, the next step is eliminating them. This might seem tough at first. You may feel attached to certain parts of your speech. But remember, your goal is to deliver the clearest, most compelling message possible. A simpler, more focused speech is often a stronger speech. When cutting points, don't just delete. Consider if the point can be moved or reworked. Could it support another argument? Could it be a powerful example somewhere else? Be creative. And there you have it. By identifying and eliminating unnecessary points from your outline, you're on your way to delivering a more concise, engaging, and effective speech or presentation. Remember, every element of your speech should support your main argument, message, or audience understanding. If it doesn't, it may need to go. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to helping you continue to improve your public speaking and presentation skills in the next videos. Until then, keep practicing and refining your outlines. Happy speaking!